sincere. This guy, and the minute he goes, hold on, what are you talking about? This guy's not sincere. This guy's a Shia, he's not sincere. But I'm a Shia, and I'm sincere in being a Shia. I'm not sincere in being a Sunni because I'm not Sunni.
محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله علي ولي
You try to clarify. I'm like, no, Al Bidah, I don't debate Al Bidah. Bro, just discuss with the guy, bro.
And then you see a video with him having a debate.
He's talking about banging little Shias that are blank. Okay.
He's disgusting. If I can,
okay, you know what disgust? This word disgust. I'm gonna break down this word disgust. Disgust means that I destroy your faith without you knowing. I'm like, brother, you know you're deviant, brother, I want you to go heaven. You're gonna go hell.
I'm yours.
And he's like, this guy's sincere. This guy, and the minute he goes, hold on, what are you talking about? This guy's not sincere. This guy's a Shia, he's not sincere. But I'm a Shia, and I'm sincere in being a Shia. I'm not sincere in being a Sunni because I'm not Sunni. What is a sincere word? Of course I'm sincere in becoming a Shia, so we talk.
if you're sincere, just seek the truth.
Brother, I'm on the truth.
No, look. Because the Christian thinks he's on the truth.
Yeah, I know, and you think you're on, and what do you think
the
you're
Jew
on?
thinks he's
And what does the Sunni think
right?
he's on?
We think we're upon haq.
So what? So you translate it to Arabic? You just translate it to Arabic? Yeah. So you're on the same thing as me. So therefore, they're not good. Let's discuss.
One of us is wrong, right?
Exactly. So let's discuss.
Be discuss and decent. Don't say something and then start walking away like that.
You have your motive, we have ours. Let's discuss.
Otherwise, keep your mouth shut, have a clock and wait and listen.
You can't say the 16-year-old, because 16-year-old came to us same way. I don't know anything about Shias.
Fair enough.
If I come ask you, I'll be silent the whole
That's fair.
And then the Sunnis come and say, oh no, why is he only picking on little kids? That's not fair, because he's whoever comes to him.
Shamsi's debated a couple of Shias and he knows he has.
Yeah, so
and Shamsi always says that he talks to not the heads because the heads are learned.
Can I just say something?
Of course the heads are
4
learned.
years ago, Shamsi debated with me over here.
So he debates with Shias.
So he does debate.
Can we not make this topic about Shamsi?
Yeah.
It's not about that, but he debates.
Yeah, let's not talk about
But
it.
it's important that he debates.
It's important that he
You
discusses.
can't run away. You can't run away like a chicken and say no backstage. You agree with that? Anyone here, any Sunni or Shia brother, whoever it is, can't say a comment and run. That's chicken. That's wrong.
No, you're right. There's nothing wrong with speaking to youngsters. There's nothing wrong with it. The issue is this. The issue is this. Consistency. If today I say I don't talk to Ahl Sunnah because obviously for the Sunnis we're Ahl.
He will speak to you.
Yeah.
No cameras.
Yeah. Well, how come every video he makes against Shia is on camera? Every video he's made against Shia is on camera.
For some reason, he doesn't want to talk to you on camera.
Why?
Let's go back to him.
But this is what I'm talking about. He shows me his back. because every man, there's the one guy he's right here. Every video he makes against Shia is on camera. So we say, be fair. Every video he makes against Shia is on camera. Okay. So we say you've made a lot of shubahat.
And he's made a video of you. And he's discussed something with you. And it's on camera. No?
My little brother. Yeah, he made a video.
Both of you, no?
No, not me. I wasn't there. So he's made one video, which is fine, and that got cut off. After that, he's done a 2-hour lecture, and consistently in the park, he's been doing lectures against Shia. So the Shia are saying, okay, so you've been talking about us, misattributing beliefs to us, lying about us, because we believe it's a lie. So now we want to clarify. Obviously, I have to discuss with you to clarify the lie. I can make a reputation video, and we can do that. Inshallah, we'll do it. But the point is, we need to discuss with him, saying, Shamsi, you keep saying.
He said to you, I don't want to discuss you. I don't want to debate with you.
Okay, watch this. When someone let me give you. Yeah, I'll get it. If someone slanders someone in public, do they have to do tawbah hidden or openly?
Sorry?
If someone slanders someone publicly, do they do tawbah hidden or openly? If I slander you openly, you're going to say, bruv, you slandered me in front of everyone. Come and say openly.
So, brothers, we are here today in Speakers Corner. We made it back today. After a little while, we made it back. Alhamdulillah, we've got Sayyid Ali with us. Get me, Sayyid Ali Al-Imami and Zan Rizvi. So we come here today. So obviously, our aim and maqsad today was to come and discuss. Over the last couple of weeks, probably even a bit longer than that, they've been constantly talking against the Shia. So we just want to say, look, let's come in today and discuss these aspects they've been talking about and seek the truth. Today we've come, someone saying they don't want to debate Ahl Bidah, someone saying no, we don't discuss in the daytime, someone saying they don't discuss on camera, so sometimes says we don't discuss at night. I don't know what they want, but the point is, overall, the thing that we got was pretty much no one wants to discuss.
No one's on it.
I'll be fair, the point is, some of the guys that we were expecting to be here, unfortunately wasn't. And alhamdulillah, inshallah, we can see them in the future. But the point is that a lot of guys that were here haven't been able to speak to us. We've been literally trying to speak about little issues. We have spoken a little bit, but clearly it wasn't something that we intended. So, Sayyid Ali, Zan, would you like to add anything to what I've said?
No, just the fact that they were. It seems that they were making excuses,
and it seems like every week on week they've been refuting Shias, debating Shias who might not be as learned. And when we have come here today to ask them questions, they're like, we don't debate Ahlul Bidah. There was this concept 2-3 weeks ago.
Yeah, the irony is that you see the same people approaching youngsters, little kids, and they'll target them and they'll pick
bully
on
them,
kids.
laugh at them.
But hold on, we don't debate Ahlul Bidah.
I think that principle, when it comes down to it, is basically based on we don't debate educated Shias. Learn Shias. I think we should change the principle. The principle is not Ahlul Bidah. The principle is we don't debate anyone who knows his stuff.
True.
Basically, if you know your stuff, no, you're Ahlul Bidah. The minute you're a layman and you're a jahil, oh brother, you know you do shirk and you're this, and the guys are all blanking that, and the guys are oh takbir. So basically, it's the principle is wrong. Let's rename the principle. We don't debate learned people. We debate the jahil. And that's what you've been doing.
Actually, one of the guys, he was quite respectful. He did say to me, he goes, look, you should debate our scholars. So I said, look, you're not scholars here yourselves, and yet you here debating Christians and Jews.
You could debate everyone, but now it has to be the principle.
So and even I was talking to some of the brothers that were the non-Muslims, and they were like, I can't believe these lot debate us every week, but they don't want to talk to you.
Yeah.
So I'm like, they've got this weird principle of not debating within Ahlul Bidah, but then again, like I told you, it's like a circle merry-go-round. So we've come today, inshallah, we're going to definitely start coming again like we used to, because obviously things need to clarify.
But one message that we can definitely get out there is, week on week, you've been calling us out. We have come and asked questions, and you couldn't challenge a single one of us today. We've asked so many times, let's have these discussions. You've called us out, you've had refutation videos of us, you've been picking on little Shia kids who don't know half of the ABCs. We've come and asked respectfully.
We were even ready to
came respectfully.
Sayyid, we were even ready to debate about snowmen at one point.
Snowmen was very important. Snowmen is a very important. Listen, wallah, in the world that's going on, forget ISIS, forget about what's going on in the world. Snowmen is a big part of your faith right now, because you don't want to do shirk on snowmen.
Yeah, of course.
Unless you cut the head off. Cut the head off. Even.
We know about cutting heads.
We know about cutting heads. Subhanallah, even with snowmen, they got to cut the heads off of snowmen as well. Alhamdulillah. They literally can't stop the cutting of heads right now. So alhamdulillah, look, these people, they're going to carry on doing what they're doing. We're going to keep coming inshallah and keep discussing, and that's what we're here for, to clarify the truth.
Keep tuned to Bayat Al Ghadeer.
And Bayat Al Ghadeer is going to start doing, if they don't come to us, we'll come to them. Bayat Al Ghadeer will be our new platform. Bayat Al Ghadeer is going to be our new channel. Sayyid Ali, anything?
Bayat Al Ghadeer is our new channel, and alhamdulillah, it's a platform, universal platform for everyone. It's not just for Shia Muslims.
Of course, everyone.
It's for everybody, and it's a platform to learn the true beliefs about Shiism, and clearing all the misconceptions that are made about Shiism.
Keep tuned in Bayat Al Ghadeer. My video should be coming very soon, so keep tuned. Keep tuned with that. It should be some fire coming to you lot. Inshallah soon.
And hopefully we might teach you techniques on how to make snowmen.
Yeah, maybe snowmen. But we'll cut the head off though.
With all due respect, please. I think you guys come to give da'wah, yes? While doing da'wah, okay, you don't, but do Muslims, do those who refer to themselves Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah coming to do that, yes or no? So they come to discuss, to prove Christianity wrong, and prove Shia, Islam right, or Sunni Islam, let's say. Those who refer to themselves Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah. Yeah. So you don't do that at all?
No, because there's knowledge that I have and there's knowledge I don't have.
Okay, cool. So I'm saying, he talks against the Shia. So I'm saying, then come, let's debate. What's the problem?
Okay.
So he's saying if he's saying the Shia are kuffar, he must have knowledge about that. Otherwise, why is he making that statement? So I'm saying, all right, no problem. You say I'm a kafir, let's discuss it. What's the problem?
Do you, from what you know about him, and be honest, from what you know about him, do you consider him as someone that is of people that have a certain level of ilm?
Can I be honest with you?
Be honest.
Yeah, I'm going to be very, very honest with you. I don't believe anyone here from those who refer to as Ahlul Sunnah have anyone. But you know why I'd come? I don't usually even come to these places.
Yeah.
I'll be honest with you.
My first time as well.
Yeah, I never usually come here, but I'm coming here because they've been picking on young Shia.
That's better.
And I just came. I was like, you know what? You want to pick? We'll bring someone that can debate you. I'll come. Debate me. But no one wanted it. That's the simple truth.
You know what?
And I don't mean anything by it. I don't hate no one that refers to himself as a Sunni at all, actually. Majority of them are my brothers, not in Iman, as brothers in humanity. I don't hate no one here. Yeah, but there's a lot of people. They come here. He's called to the killings of Shia. This brother here, Zakaria. Imagine. Yeah. So I'm saying, you know what? You want to be a man? I'll show you. I'm a man. Come and debate me then. Prove to me I'm a kafir and I'm worthy to be killed. Prove to me I'm a murtad, I'm an apostate. That's the reality of it. You see, you seem to be a genuine brother that's asking questions that you could discuss. I went to Shamsi didn't want it. I went to the other brother, I don't know his name, he didn't want it. He started to
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان اللعين الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وبه نستعين ورب السماوات والأرض وأفضل الصلاة والسلام على أشرف الخلق والمرسلين حبيب إله العالمين المؤيد أحمد أمجد أبو القاسم محمد وعلى أهل بيته الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين واللعنة الدائمة على أعدائهم وجاحدي إمامتهم ومنكري فضائلهم ومناقبهم إلى قيام يوم الدين. القول مني في جميع الأشياء قول آل محمد فيما أسروا وأعلنوا وفيما بلغني عنهم وفيما لم يبلغني. Today we came to Speakers Corner to discuss with the opposing sect, the sect that calls itself Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. We came to Shamsi didn't want to debate. Apparently he doesn't debate the Rafida. We came, there was another guy, I forgot his name, Abu Amin or Mu'een. He didn't want to debate. You see, what they do here is they go, they pick on Shias that don't know much, young kids that don't know much and want to teach them. But once someone comes to tell them, listen, I'll come and teach you, they don't want to debate. That's just the reality of it. Today I came to discuss with them the fundamental of the fundamentals of their pillars of Islam, which is al-adalat al-sahaba, the justice of the companions. None of them was willing to debate, none of them was willing to come forward to defend their sahaba. They say no, our main pillar is tawheed. That's wrong, because your tawheed comes from the sahaba. Your understanding of the Quran, sahaba. Your sunnah, sahaba. Your etiquette, your morality comes from the sahaba. So the ground, the firm pillars on the ground is the sahaba and what the sahaba were upon. Do you not always hear the Salafi say the Quran and sunnah and the understanding of the Salaf? So now we have come and no one wanted it. No one wanted to come and debate us. And that's just the reality of it. I just came to give them, to teach them a lesson, but no one wanted to debate. That's just the truth of it. That's just the absolute truth. And I hope inshaAllah ta'ala the Shias can see that these people that come here, they speak to any Shia that they see, make him feel bad. They know he's a child, he's a kid, he doesn't know much. Sometimes in Arba'een I've seen them do it. But when they have someone that really wants to discuss, they say they don't want to discuss with the Rafida. Well, let me tell you that principle by the Salaf that you have come with is a principle of cowards. That's what it is. هذا وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى أهل بيته الطيبين الطاهرين.